How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So students, welcome to my art and craft class. So what is in my hand? Yes, the pen holder. You want to learn this pen holder? Yes, all are excited to learn? Okay, come on, let's make this. Students, for pen holder, you need 4 colors paper, Fevicol, scissor and 1 extra paper for the support. Okay students? For that, what your first step is, you have to take all the papers together. Okay? Now, what we will do? We will fold like this. Okay? And now we will cut this. Like this. Okay students? Square size paper is ready. Okay, so first step is what we need to do. First we have to take the one paper, we have to fold like this. Okay, now like this. Okay, and now this paper like this. Okay, the another side also. Okay, so this thing is ready, so keep aside. Now take the another paper, you have to fold like this, flap this one, fold like this. Okay students, so these 5 are ready. Now what you need to do, you have to do the half and you have to just press over here. Okay, so we get the shape. We have to just fold this and press like this. Okay students, so this is ready. Now we have to just put the one dot of glue, just stick this portion, little one only. Okay, now next step is you have to just do like this. Okay, we will put glue. The opposite side also we have to place the glue and we have to go put it this inside. Okay, place it properly for the proper shape. Okay, so like this is ready. So you have to make this all like this shape. Okay students? Okay, so like this all are ready. Now what you need to do students, we have to stick two parts like this. Okay, so we will put glue all over the part. Okay, and then we will stick this portion. Proper you have to stick it. Okay, press it little so it will stick hardly. Okay, now the another part, place the glue. Next part, stick like this. So all the parts you have to place it. Students, so like this is ready. ओके, सो आपको इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए सुखाना पड़ेगा, वरना ये गीला होगा तो ये स्टिक नहीं होगा. ओके, सो यू हैव टू कीप इट असाइड फॉर अ टाइम लाइक दिस. ओके, एवरीवन कैन सी दिस. नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू हैव टू प्लेस दिस थिंग on this and then we have to cut this shape. So what we will do? We will paste a glue all the parts and then we will paste it here. Okay students, like this. Okay students, so like this you can keep your pens, Fevicol, scale, anything you can keep on this. Okay students, so everyone enjoy this video. Okay, now time to say tata bye bye. Bye everyone. Take care.